the amount of renovation going on in this house right now, it's crazy. Let me show you guys. Guys, hi, hi. Say hi. I miss vlog, you know. See.
A few months ago.
This was me recording a video to send to my landlady to show her what had just happened. I was in the kitchen actually. I was in the kitchen with my baby and we literally just heard a very loud bang, like a very, very loud bang, and I was so scared. And I knew it happened in the house, but I wasn't sure what could have fallen down, what could have made such a loud noise, only for me to come out of the kitchen and this is what I beheld. Like the roof of the house literally came crashing down. The white panes were on, like they broke, and apparently there were glass just after our ceiling. Okay, you guys, you don't even understand the kind of testimony this thing was. Like, imagine that someone was in this room, and this is the very room where I change Uriri and like I get her dressed up, right? Because that's also where her bed is and things like that. So imagine someone was in this room when this thing happened. Like, it was crazy. The whole thing came crashing down. Glasses, there were bits and pieces of glass all over the place. Now, I think this thing happened sometime in July. Like, it's been so long, and our landlady has been looking for people that can fix it without success. Finally, she found these people who agreed to come and fix it, and this was what they were doing. They had to change the panes of the whole house basically, because apparently they were all covered with the glass and most of them had broken. Just that the one in this room gave up and just came crashing down.
They're replacing it with new ceilings. And this is the outside. This is the sitting room. See how all our load is outside. As if we are packing. Load upon load upon load. They had just fixed this room, so we had to clear that room. And then the balcony as well. Our microwave and oven here. And look at their fixed ceiling. They just even fixed it and then fixed this thing, so we're able to spread the clothes that we washed. Bless you. And then we had to pack some things here. This is Uriri's drawer. So many things. Look at our tables. So they're also trying to change this center lights to put this cute one that has like a fan. We're over here having fun with Cody time. Hey baby, are you having a good time? No, mama, don't get down. You guys should just be telling Mr. EJ thank you, because this man, he has really tried in this work that they are doing. You guys, he's the one that has been sweeping after them and just cleaning and packing all the like broken glass and things like that. And it's not as if they'll pay him any money. Do Sharme. Baby, answer me now. Do Sharme. Baby, answer me now. I'm not going to say. What's the answer, sir? Brando.
They're talking to you.
So this is the new light they want to install. This light has like fan in it and it's so cute. I'll show you guys when they are done installing it. Hi. Crazy things are happening. Let me show you guys outside. This is the front of our house. Some of the things are just here. Some of these are like their machines. And then this is where they've been cutting all the things that they've been using to fix the roof. Like the ceiling. This is like their cutting machine. That one is like the first base that they put in before they put the second ceiling. I don't want to go out. The floor is so dirty. If not, I would have stepped out and showed you guys all the things that they packed there. But it's a lot. It's a lot that has been going on in this house. So this is the guy who is fixing the ceiling. Trying to put the last ceiling of this room. This ceiling is cute and it's transparent. Mama, oh, sorry. Another stress about this whole thing going on is that you can't afford to be in their way. So it's like every time they're like, excuse me, please let me pass, shift. So it's better you just carry yourself and go and stay one place so that they can do their work in peace. And it's hard because we have to still live our normal lives. That's why renovating the house whilst you are living in it, gosh, it's crazy. Okay, even for the people living there, for the people doing the work, you people just have to be managing yourselves like that.
One eternity later.
So let me tell you what happened like with this house falling situation. Okay, this house crashed sometime in summer, and I think, like I said, it was in either July or August. I doubt it was August. I think it was as early as July. And at that point I was like, is it the heat? Because we know this year summer was very, very hot. I was like, did the heat sort of melt the glass? Like, I don't know what happened, but suddenly because all the rooms actually have glass underneath them except the living room. The living room is like POP, okay, but all the other rooms, like glass, apparently there's glass before the ceiling, the whiteboard ceiling, right? What's that thing called? It's not called ceiling. PVC. Yeah, it's like PVC. Yeah, we call it PVC in Nigeria. It's actually PVC. Okay, the glasses, which is after the PVC, gave up and it came crashing. Even the one in our bedroom, the one in that room that you guys saw, like it was crazy. So what our landlady did was that she asked the people who were fixing it to change all the house, like to remove the glass in the house and then put something else there, because what if it falls later in the future? If they change just the PVC, it might fall again. So what they did was that they took out the glass and then they put another layer of something before they now covered it with the PVC again. Even this balcony, they did it as well, like I showed you guys already. Yeah, but they did all of that and it was a lot. It was a whole week plus of work. In fact, God bless Mr. EJ, he had to not is awake. But like I was saying, he had to not go to school. Like Mr. EJ had to stay home with these people for like a week plus. Okay, every day he was home with them, because they will come in the morning, they will work till noon, they will go for lunch, they will come back in the afternoon, work till night, like, and go for dinner. Hey baby, you guys, we just woke up, but I have to finish this thing I'm saying, so I'll add it to the vlog and upload. By the way, the vlog about how I made the Riri's hair is coming up, so you guys should watch out for it. Riri, what are you doing? Yeah, the work took over a week plus, and at the end of the day, it was looking much better. Okay, our landlady also bought like different lights that they changed with the previous ones. She bought this type of light that has like fan with it, and apparently it will be very useful during the summer, but unfortunately we're in winter now, so we're not using it. Maybe I'll make a clip and show you guys the light changes, like the lights. Yeah, it has like different colors, like the bright, warm, and things like that. So cute, actually, so cute. and they did a lot of work, like a whole lot of work. And then, like you guys saw, Mr. EJ was sweeping. Mr. EJ was the one that is always sweeping after them, because as they are breaking glasses here, he has to be sweeping it up, because we have a toddler in the house who does not want to sit still. So we had to make sure that nothing will happen to her, like she won't get injured because of the work and things like that. So it was a lot for us, and especially for Mr. EJ, honestly. So God bless him. And yeah, that was how it went. Okay,
that's it for today's video, you guys. I'm quickly wrapping it up right here, and I just wanted to give a shout out to the person who won secret phrase challenge last time. She doesn't have a channel or anything, and she said she doesn't have any business to promote. So I just want to use this opportunity to say a massive thank you to her, to Mama C. She's someone who has been very, very supportive of my channel and so many other channels of upcoming YouTubers here in China. And on behalf of all of us, I just want to say thank you so much, Mama C. We see you, we appreciate you and all that you do for us. Thank you so much. God bless you and your family. That said, the secret phrase for today is we are stronger together. We are stronger together. I'm going to put it on the screen. So I want you guys to remember that this week, whatever you're doing, just know that you can always pool resources together, you know, to make something better and to make something stronger. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.